If you are involved in a motor vehicle accident, it can be a stressful and anxiety-ridden experience. There are over 160,000 car accidents in Canada each year. While driving in Canada is safer than in many other countries, there is still a serious risk of suffering serious injuries in a motor vehicle accident. These include traumatic brain injuries, spinal cord injuries, paralysis, broken bones, internal injuries, and even fatalities. If you are seriously injured in a British Columbia automobile accident, it is very important that you take certain steps following the collision to preserve your rights to seek compensation for your injuries. The lawyers at Mulligan Tam Pearson advise and represent those involved in automobile and trucking accidents throughout British Columbia. If you or someone you love has been injured in a motor vehicle accident, we offer a free, no-obligation initial consultation. The first priority, if you are involved in a serious car accident, is to make sure everyone is out of harm's way and to seek immediate medical treatment for your injuries or others. Even if you only have a few minor symptoms, you should go to the hospital and follow up with your family doctor as soon as possible. The problem is some auto accident injuries are not very serious at first, and they're not immediately apparent. You should seek prompt treatment and make sure to tell the doctor about any symptoms, no matter how minor they might seem to be at the time. If you fail to go to the doctor, you may have difficulty later when you need to establish that the car accident was the cause of your injuries. You should continue seeking treatment with your family doctor, who can oversee the entire course of your treatment. He or she can refer you to specialists that are appropriate to deal with your problems. This allows your family doctor to be familiar with the entire course of your treatment. If your family doctor is in a position to provide a detailed professional medical report or testify regarding your diagnosis and prognosis, you're in a much better position. While making sure you get immediate medical attention following a traffic accident is important, you should also gather as much information at the accident scene as possible once you've attended to your injuries and confirm that everyone is out of danger. The first priority is to make sure you get names and contact information for anyone involved in the accident. This also includes other drivers, bicyclists, or pedestrians. You should also take photographs, if you can, of your injuries, any skid marks, and the condition and position of the vehicles and the surrounding area from multiple angles. When in doubt, take as many photographs as possible. Even poor quality photos from a cell phone camera will assist an accident reconstruction expert, if they are required, in analyzing and explaining the accident. You also need to summon the police so they can investigate and make sure you get a copy of their report. If the police report is not immediately available at the scene, you should at least get a report number and the name of the investigating officer. If there is debris left by police at the scene, you should make sure the debris is preserved. If there are other witnesses to the motor vehicle accident, make sure to get their names and contact information. This includes anyone in a nearby business who may have witnessed the accident, or people at the side of the road, anyone. If you need to notify ICBC of any traffic collision in British Columbia, you need to do so promptly. You should be in contact with an experienced personal injury lawyer before providing details or meeting with an ICBC representative. It is important that you do this quickly. There are strict time limits that can govern auto accident injury claims. The personal injury lawyers at our firm can advise you of your rights and make sure that you take the right steps to avoid damaging your claim. We can also advise you about time limits. We can carefully investigate the circumstances of your accident and work with you to make sure that you receive the compensation you deserve. You have nothing to lose by giving us a call, but more than you might realize to gain. Call us now for your free initial consultation.